Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to be doing a Thrive Themes tutorial. We're going to be going over to Thrive Architect, building a page, and sending lead gen data via email. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, click on that subscribe button, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Also check the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus, and today we are focused on Thrive Themes Architect, and to do that we'll go inside the WordPress dashboard, we'll go under Pages, and we will use this page, and we will go ahead and edit with Thrive Architect. Now this is all about lead generation, so of course we will have, basically what we have here is a squeeze page, and we will be capturing an email address under the lead generation element. So when you click on the lead generation element, and as you can see up here in the breadcrumbs, landing page, background section, content box, lead generation, and then you highlight that, and you can see under main options, we have this connected to our Aweber autoresponder. And of course that is connected via the API, and it's connected to a mailing list called 30MMIPE. So when we collect an email, that will send it over to that mailing list, and it will apply this tag. And of course, if you don't know what easy tags are, check the card up in the right hand corner here, as well as the link in the description for the video on easy tags. But in this case, what we want to do is we want to add another connection where we send the information not only to Aweber, but we're going to send it to an email inbox, so we have it in two places. So hang in here with me, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. And to do that, we're going to set up a new connection. So we're going to click Send Leads to Add Connection. We're going to go to our connection here, and the only connection that we currently have available is to email address. So in this case, we have email address. So we're going to say send emails from this site. Of course, there's a little information box here. You can optionally choose to integrate with an email delivery service such as Postmark or SendGrid for increased deliverability. Otherwise, emails will be sent directly from your server. So I do not have Postmark or SendGrid, which is an email sending service. So what I'm going to do is send emails from this site. And I'm going to send them to this email address. It's going to be from me, and then they're going to put the from email address in here that you want the email to arrive from, and then of course you have a subject here. Someone filled out your form is the default. Of course you can add whatever you like here. Form on easy tag, and then you have a form filled message, which is this is the short code, so you can either add your own custom short code or we can just leave it to the default, which we will. And of course here you can include other information like date, time, page URL, IP address, and device settings, and we'll go ahead and we will apply that. Now what we have is, to this lead generation form, when someone fills this out, the lead will go to Aweber, and it will also go to the email that I supplied in the configuration of this connection setting. So we'll go ahead and we'll save that work. All changes have been saved. We'll come down here and we will go to preview. That will launch a preview of the page, and we will go ahead and we will add in an email address. We will click Get It Now. That will think about it and connect to the APIs on the back end. You have successfully signed up. Check your inbox. Of course, that is the message for the person that has provided their email to check their inbox. So now what we will do is we will head over to Aweber. And this is the list right here. As you can see, the contact list is right here, 30MMIPE. And as you can see here, we were looking at manage subscribers, and we were looking to look at subscribers that have been added today. We'll refresh that, and now as you can see, we have a new subscriber with today's date, which is 14 December 2019 as I'm shooting this video. So that is inside of our Aweber email list. So we've captured the lead inside of Aweber, as well as now we also have it in our email inbox. So we'll go over to our email inbox, and you can see right there, it's from Gary Baker. Someone filled out your form on easy tag. We'll open that email, and as you can see right there, the email address, the date, the time, the page URL, the IP address, and the device settings. Those are all the options that we checked when we set it up. And just to summarize, we will go back to the EasyTag page. And as you can see right there, under Add Connection, under Main Options, Add Connection, Email, we set it up to send an email address with that subject. And we checked all the include parameters. And of course, again, there's the email. Someone filled out your form on EasyTag and all the parameters. That is all there is to it. Setting up lead generation inside of Thrive Architect, 2 separate connections, Aweber and email, which is the new option. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, check the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel. More awesome videos just like this one here on the end screen as well. Make sure you click and watch those, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.